yesterday, you guys are doing the same exact thing. They're gonna do about 5 minutes of work, they're gonna pack up their shit, and they're gonna leave. Because this is not real lawn care, this is a noise harassment campaign. The video that I took yesterday was dated. Look at this. Does that need work? Is he doing any actual work right there? Is any actual work being done? No. These guys rolled up, piled out of their truck immediately, fired up all their machines all at once. And this is simply fake. This is not real work. Look at this guy. He's not even fucking doing anything. This is fucking hilarious, actually. There's anything like it. Like, does this lawn look like it needs to be mowed? Is there any progress being done here? Unbelievable. They got a truck here, a truck here. Unbelievable actors. This is done to torture an innocent person who's simply sitting on his porch. There's no grass being mowed. It's all fake noise. What is she even blowing? She doesn't know what she's fucking doing. She has no idea what she's doing. Flabbergasted. Look at this. Shit, man. You're going viral as fuck. I can't believe I'm seeing. These people are evil. Yesterday, people at this house, who I'm not gonna identify, but they where are the rest of them? Now they're like hiding. This is our government, folks. I pay taxes for a fake lawn crew to corroborate with my neighbors, first of all. For them to buy some fake equipment to come bother me. This is what's like happening in the United States today, folks. Do you see any progress being done in the lawn work? No, you don't. Unbelievable. You already did that spot, homie. We've already done over here, of course. Unbelievable. These people are animals. I've got no. I'm filming fucking animals right now. That's why I have no sympathy for these people. They're fucking scum. Look what these people do. They torture for a living, pretending like. Unbelievable. The lady already did the edges over there, and then she went by and blew the grass, and now he's going and doing those edges again so she can come by and then blow that grass again. Does this seem like the most efficient lawn crew in the world? I mean, why? She's blowing leaves like over there. Hey, you make your own decisions, folks. No, I don't have a job. You see, like, they know I don't have a job, so he's gonna try and ridicule me. What are you blowing, homie? You ain't blowing nothing. What are they blowing? They're not doing any work. Look at this shit. It's hilarious. It's hilarious. Oh my God. We got 3 people, 3 trucks. Or 2 trucks, 1 trailer. I'm not saying anything negative about these people. They make their own decision. I'm just filming the obvious here. The guy filming some lawn crew. This guy's so pissed off. This guy's so pissed off. Get some license plates on these guys.